Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. You guys saw part one of us going out there to the deer club and fixing up the outside, clearing all the trees. Today's mission is to actually try to tackle the inside now. The inside's pretty darn rough. There's a lot of stuff in there, like being the ceilings and just all the rooms. Just kind of got like that old house smell in a way. It's just, it needs a deep cleaning and it needs to get a lot of stuff thrown out. That's where we need to start. Just get everything out that we don't want to use and just kind of see what we're working with. Look at the floors, look at the ceiling, look at anything that needs to be repaired. So with that being said, we have the dump trailer hooked up to the old Duramax. We're going to tow it down there and let's go see what we can get ourselves into. Down here to the deer club. I haven't showed you inside yet, so let's go ahead and step in. Lighting's going to be a little bit of an issue in here. Y'all can already see it just got super dark. There's a couple spots where it'd be a little better, but yeah, this room's pretty good. I actually was in this room one video before that I actually showed you guys. I went in here and I shot my first big buck, and I was just looking at all these mounts right here, and I'm like, what's mine look like? I never saw the deer before I really shot him. I just didn't remember. All the adrenaline was rushing, but yeah, so you guys have seen this room before. We're gonna go right back up to the front so we can just give you a little tour of what it actually looks like when you walk through the door. Right in here is the kitchen area. So this is where people cook things. Just look around, guys. Like I said, it's a little rough. I mean, we actually cleared out a lot of stuff so far, just kind of messing around last time we were here. But the stove, just like everything is extremely dirty. The nice little fridge right here though, and then you got your little table. Straight across, this is where the cat was in this room. This is Braden's dad's and Braden's room. Oh boy! But just even the floors, you guys can see there's just a lot. We want to pretty much rip up all the carpets in all the rooms, because behind here is a bunch of good hardwood floor that's just extremely dirty. Back out, we're in the hallway. You have the bathroom. Boy, that looks rough. You got the toilet right there. It's a pretty big little bathroom, and this is the main living room with all the mounts. This is gonna probably be my favorite part in this room, because this is where everyone's gonna be hanging out, and we want to try to make it as good as we can. Like I said before, all the rugs, we gotta get all this up. And this is someone else's room that's nice in here too. I mean, every room's kind of somewhat kept up, but not really. We'll just kind of throw stuff in here. So yeah, that's the deer club. You guys see what we're gonna mess around with today. We have some new light bulbs. We're gonna try to get some more lighting in here. We're gonna start throwing shit out, start getting the shop back in here, cleaning everything up. It's gonna be an exciting video. Y'all stay tuned. As you walk in, the rooms have opened up so much, and y'all can see the difference between what had a rug and what didn't. I wish we could try to restore everything, but I don't know what we're gonna do. But these actually don't look that bad. These are true hardwood floors, so it'd be awesome if we can get them back. Ripped everything up out of the bathroom, but we lost lights in here, so y'all really couldn't probably see that. Kitchen looks great. Everything's getting cleaned up in here. You can see how much we're moving out. This place has a lot of potential. I'm getting excited about this. And you go straight across to B's room, and yeah, his dad was securing everything pretty good, so like that's bolted to the floor, that's not coming up, the bed's bolted right back here. You see the bolt, most of everything up. Hi, Leah. A lot of work using the shop vac and doing everything, but it's starting to come together. And we're just gonna keep on working and pushing until it gets done. All right, y'all, it's now day 2 down here at the Deer Club. Just walked in. You guys can see behind me. We'll step back out and show you. This is Braden in his dad's room. Marty's been down here working all morning. He got everything out, all the stuff he pulled it to the floor, and she is gutted out. Brandon Lowe's this morning got plywood, all of our supplies. We got paint, we got everything. The only thing we really didn't buy was carpet, and we'll do that another time, probably for like part 3 or whatnot. But yeah, we're about to get to work and start making a difference. Window units are up and they're blowing pretty cold. We got it at 61. They're not as big as the last ones, but pretty much everyone's room in here. Separate, each room has an AC unit, and so we have ours and B's room, AC unit in here, then we have one for the main living room. And it's starting to already cool down a lot, so AC units were a thumbs up. Plywood's going up, it's looking good. We have the whole ceiling to do. We're knocking out piece by piece. What do you think, B? It's gonna look good, man.
It's gonna look good. Once it's painted, dude, it'll be a cheap, great way to fix the ugly ceiling. It won't be as ugly.
A lot of good looking deer in here. Oh yeah, and a big old bass.
You push there now.
Good thing we got AC units.
I guess I'm buying new fans.
Alright guys, all the plywood is up. Marty's dad did great, huge thanks to him. We got the whole hallway done. Now we just gotta do a trim work. Dude works his tail off. We're moving fast, getting stuff done. B kind of ready, started messing around with painting the wall. We're getting like our color themes down, but it's coming out good, man. This place from 2 days ago is coming. It's come a long way. It's just getting active and getting on stuff, working hard. You can get a lot done. Like I said, y'all, we're prepping for paint right now. We finished everything. Braden already ripped out the spray gun. This thing's gonna save us a lot of time. You can literally just run through instead of us rolling it, which would still be kind of quick, but it's better than using a brush. We have the spray gun. Spray, son. Oh yeah. We got one that did stain and paint, so it's gonna save us a lot of time. And what we're thinking, we're gonna do brown rug, kind of like brown trimming. We're gonna try to get everything to match. Set up the time lapse and get a little dusty in here, so sorry about the lens. Walking into the house, dude. At one point I looked down, where's my light? It's coming to me. I looked down, I forgot I had a pistol on me, and it was completely white. I had to go out there with a bunch of alcohol and try to clean everything. Y'all can see behind me, this is a very, very white house right now. But in the process, this is what we have to do. We're gonna try to do all different trimming and make it brown carpet. We'll make it look good. This room has some cool wood on the walls, so we might try to keep this original, but let me know what you guys think. We might try to switch it up, but look at all these deer. Some bitch not do that. Hey! Hey!
What?
What'd you spray on the floor?
BP.
Oh my god. The best investment was a spray gun, but it was also the worst for Brandon because he got a little spray happy. You can see all the overspray we're supposed to have on a nice hardwood floor we're gonna redo. And the window unit and the windows. We messed it up. This is the second stage of this video, so hope y'all enjoyed it like always. We're gonna try to do a lot of stuff to this place. This is just, like I said, stage 2. We're working as hard as we can, but it's a lot of work. Paint whoops your ass. Not many painters out there because this shit sucks. But we're making progress. If y'all want to see us do something to here and any suggestions, let us know in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, That's TV.